Hi, today we're going to try the Physics paper 2 questions. Questions number 1. The diagram shows the curved mirror that is used by dentists. A. Part 1. State the type of mirror. For curved mirror, we have convex and concave mirror. For convex mirror, the characteristic of the mirror will be always virtual, upright, and diminished. But the dentist mirror is going to help the dentist to inspect your teeth. Hence, the image needs to be enlarged. So this only can be done by concave mirror. So the type of mirror is concave mirror. When your object distance less than the focal length, the image will be magnified, will be enlarged. Part 2, state one advantage compared to plane mirror. Okay, we have mentioned the advantages. The concave mirror will have a magnified image. So the image formed by concave mirror is larger. So part B is a ray diagram. So question part 1. Draw a ray diagram to show how the image forms. So for the ray diagram, we can draw 3 different rays. The first one, when the ray is parallel to the principal axis, this will be reflected, converge at the focal point. So another one is when the ray passes through the center of curvature, the ray will be reflected in opposite directions. We can see that these 2 rays are diverging, getting wider and wider. So we can back extend the virtual ray. So all these are straight line. So here is the image, the intersection point of the dashed line. We use dashed line because here is virtual. Okay, part 2, state the characteristic of the image. So the image will be virtual, upright, and magnified. So that's why the concave mirror can be used as the dentist mirror. When the object placed less than focal point, the image form will be magnified. Part D, what happened to the size of the image when the curvature of the mirror is increased? When the curvature increases, the size of the image will be increased also. So question 2 is regarding the momentum. Okay, part A, what is the meaning of momentum? So this is quite a popular question. The question always asks you about the meaning of momentum. So momentum, we do have a formula. Momentum is mass multiply velocity. So this is the definition. Momentum is the product of mass and velocity. That's all. So in diagram 2, what happened to the ball E after the collision? So when the ball A hit the rest of the ball, the momentum will be transferred. So when it reaches the ball E will move to this direction. So ball E will move to the right. Okay, part C, ball A is replaced with another ball. The new ball has larger mass. Predict the momentum of ball E after the collisions. The momentum will be increased. Momentum of ball E increase. Give a reason for your answer. The momentum of ball E is transferred from the ball A. When the mass of ball A increase, the momentum of ball A will be increased also. So this is our reason. Momentum of ball A increase because the larger mass. State the principle used in your answer. So this is the principle of conservation of momentum. Principle of conservation of momentum tells us that the total momentum before collisions will be equals the total momentum after collisions. Question 3 is regarding the specific heat capacity. So now we have two different liquid X and liquid Y. They have the same mass but different specific heat capacity. A, what is the meaning of specific heat capacity? So this is another popular question. Specific heat capacity is the amount of heat needed to change the temperature of 1 kg substance by 1 degree Celsius. So don't forget it's 1 kg and 1 degree Celsius. Now both of the beaker is heated by a heater. The voltage, power and the time is given. Calculate the energy supplied by the emission heater. So for the energy, electrical energy will be equals to the power multiply the time. And you must aware that the time must be in seconds. The power of the heater 5 volt and the time 10 minutes. Change to second. 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. Total is 3. Okay, part 2, complete the sentence by underlining the correct phrase. The amount of energy absorbed by X is equal to the amount of energy absorbed by liquid Y. The energy provided by the heater are same. So the amount of energy absorbed will be equal also. But the change of temperature is different because the specific heat capacity. See the diagram show the boiled element and baked element inside oven. Based on the following aspect, give the suggestions and on the characteristic of both elements to become a better heating element. So number 1, the specific heat capacity. So it's either low or high specific heat capacity. Heating element, we need to heat up the element faster. So the material used for the heating element must be low specific heat capacity so that the temperature can be increased faster. So reason can be heat up faster. Reason easy to be heated. Okay, part 2, the thickness. The thickness of the heating element must be thin. This is the property of matter. When your thickness decreases, the resistance will be increased. So the temperature will be increased, can be heat up faster. So the thickness decrease, the resistance will be increased. Okay, part 3, the resistivity. Okay, same reason, the resistivity must be high. High resistance produce more heat.